Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever tried to open a zip file only to be met with an error message saying it's corrupted, you're not alone. Today I'll show you how to repair a corrupted zip archive on Windows 11 or 10 using simple methods, so let's dive in. First, let's understand why this happens. Zip files can become corrupted due to incomplete downloads, sudden power interruptions, or bad sectors on your storage drive. But don't worry, there are ways to recover your files. You can repair the corrupt file using WinRAR. WinRAR includes a built-in repair archive option specifically for fixing corrupted zip files. Open the corrupted zip file in WinRAR. Go to Tools in the menu and select Repair Archive. Choose a repair location and let it process. Once it's done, a repaired version of your file will appear in the chosen folder. Try to extract the file. If you get errors during extraction, just ignore them and check if you can open your files when it is done. For severely corrupted files, you might need specialized software. Tools like Disk Internal Zip Repair are great options. Download and install the tool. Open the software, select your corrupted zip file, and start the repair process. Save the repaired file to a safe location. You can also use the command utility of WinZIP if you're dealing with a corrupted archive and need a reliable solution. This is another method you can use. First, download and install WinZIP. You also need the WinZIP command line utility. This tool is an add-on for the main WinZIP application and lets you manage zip files using command line commands. Download and install it as well. Once you're done with the installations, locate the corrupted zip file on your computer, right-click on it, and select Copy as Path. Then open the command line. Use the cd command to change directory to where the file is located. Now, let's repair the corrupted zip file. Use the following command. This command forces the utility to extract as much data as possible, skipping over the corrupted parts. Once the command completes, go to the destination folder you specified and verify the extracted files. If some parts of the zip file were unrecoverable, they may be missing, but most of your data should be intact. And that's it. Whether it's using WinRAR, WinZIP, or dedicated repair software, you can recover your valuable files. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.